So I want to try and answer this question since some of you asked me this question in person and on my socials. I hope to clear this with another quick segment to the ongoing off-premise series. So what does a cloud engineer actually do? So I have made some videos on how to become a cloud engineer or why you should consider becoming a cloud engineer. In this short segment, I want to try and explain what a cloud engineer does on a day-to-day basis, what are they responsible for, or what kind of technologies they work with. I hate to say this, but it really depends on person to person and what kind of cloud they're working with. So you can be someone who looks at business processes, business documents, org data, and different analysis of data that your organization produces. Someone in this role might be called a business analyst even though they're still working in cloud. Or you can be a system admin or a network administrator who controls the number of users, different role hierarchy, how the organization structure is set up in the cloud. For instance, for me as a developer, when a company adopts a cloud, they might want to build custom solutions that the cloud is not natively giving out of the box. Me as a cloud engineer has to build these custom solutions using different frameworks and languages. But generally speaking, the main responsibility of a cloud engineer is provisioning and maintaining resources on cloud. So the main part of this is maintaining the solution that you have built. So it can be a database or a custom solution that you have built, but maintenance is the major part of it because you can't just build something and walk away from it. So this might mean that you might have to wear different hats. So even though you're a developer, you might have to do some admin work, you might have to do some networking, some architecture, and also monitoring how much resources your org is using and find ways if you can make it more efficient by using less resources and making it an overall maintainable, scalable solution and making it much more efficient to the end user. Maintenance is such an integral part of working in cloud. Of course, we all want to build new features, new solutions, and new stuff. Maybe your company has an entire team doing just maintenance, but as a cloud engineer, it's your responsibility to think about your solution, whether it's scalable, it's maintainable, whether it's less resource heavy, and overall making an impact to the business. Because at the end of the day, when a business adopts clouds or decides to migrate to cloud, it's not just because they want to be on cloud. Like any other software, they want things up and running. They want the best possible results and impact to their business. I know this might not have been the most specific answer that you might be looking for, but in short, a cloud engineer is someone who builds and maintains solutions on the cloud and making sure their solution is providing some sort of business value to the company. So I've been working with the cloud for only little over a year now. So if you're someone who's working with cloud or have a different perspective on what a cloud engineer does, let me know in the comments below. And until then, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk to you all next week. Cheers.